Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Low key, a little scared because PLTR did jump about $7. Well, not $7. 7% after hours and then pre market. But so more than likely, these are gonna be probably worthless. They're probably gonna be worth maybe like 1 or 2 cents right at market open if PLTR doesn't start coming back down. I will be holding these till like 10 in the morning just to kind of gauge where price is going. But I'm not gonna lie, these are always pretty fun to play because I love taking the gamble every once in a while. It keeps things pretty fun. So I wouldn't be too upset if I lose $100, but it definitely is fun. But we'll see what happens. But as of right now, I'm assuming that these are gonna expire worthless. Not expire worthless, just gonna be worthless at open. But I will be writing these out till about like 10 in the morning to kind of gauge momentum. But um, I'm just kind of looking. I'm looking for these to drop at least back to under 25, and maybe I can cash out with some profit. So I'll see you guys later.